Hello children, let us study about who will count the strips, Project Tiger. I wish to develop this lesson through mind maps. Let us develop the technique through mind maps. We take into the opinion of two. One is a student economist, and at the same time I take the vision of a student biologist. Let us see how their thought process goes. And the student economist will think of, the type and the number of species. Okay? Type and the number of species. Now, number of species, it can be a land animal, it can be a water animal, it can be a tree animal, as well as it can be variety of plants, right? He thinks like that. Now the main purpose will be, it will have agriculture industry, because food you need food for animals. Now because the animals will be healthy and wealthy, then you will have a tourist attraction. That means you have tourist, right? So if you have tourist, it will give, employment, right? It will give employment. That was the basic reason. Now let us see what happens to the student biologist. I opt for a blue color. The student biologist thinks that the natural, the endangered species, that is, thinks that the symbol national symbol is an endangered species. I hope I am making a sense, because Project Tiger we have taken up. So what we need is, we need to have sanctuaries. Okay, specified area by the government. So need to have wildlife sanctuaries where we can have the check over birth and death of the animal. We can have check over eating, habits, Similarly, we can have variety of plants and animals depending upon the eating habit. We can have eco-friendly habitat, eco-friendly habitat, right? Habitat. We can have eco-friendly habitat. So for this, we should have laws by worldwide fund. The law says that you have to avoid hunting. This is one of the clause. Avoid hunting, protect natural habitat. Then also it speaks of geographical location, right? Geographical location. Now geographical location will have some of the human factors affecting ecosystem. Like, say for example, we have some of the human factors which affect the ecosystem. So human factors, you will have visitors, okay, and you will have workers, right? So visitors, they may litter, right? They contain noise, do the noise pollution, they disturb They disturb animals, right children? So don't disturb animals when you go to zoo, don't feed them, right? And whereas similarly the laws also take care of what the workers need. Workers need in a sanctuary. In a sanctuary. The workers need in a sanctuary is the pair of binoculars. You must have heard of Salim Ali when you did it in the earlier class. The father of birds. You need to have a guide. You need to have a phone. Similarly, you also need to have a radio tracing device. Radio tracing device. So that means what all is important here is that your attitude towards animals. So we must have attitude towards animal. That is, you must love them. Love them. I hope this much exercise helps us to save the tiger, and we'll be in a position to count the strips. Happy viewing. Good day.